One of Power Query's best attributes is that if you add new data, it will automatically reapply all of your transformations when you refresh your queries. This means you only need to create a query once and you can run it whenever you want. And as you've seen, it's also easy to go in and edit your existing queries. I'm going to add 3 rows of data to the current sales data table, then refresh and display the updated results. I'm going to add one record here that's over $25,000 so we can make sure that the bonus calculation gets triggered the way that it should. If you're manually entering new data or copying and pasting it, make sure to add it to the raw data worksheet and not to the Power Query worksheet. Once you've added some sample data, go to the Table Design tab and select the Refresh All option. You'll see Excel doing its thing in the background, and when it's done, we can check out the PQ sales data sheet to see the results. Thanks for following along with this Introduction to Power Query tutorial. You can find more information about Power Query at support.office.com/Excel.